I will now show you how to solve an equation where you have to distribute. So first of all, I know I have to distribute because of those parentheses. So I'm going to take the -4 and distribute that into the set of parentheses, which means I'm just going to multiply the -4 by each term that's inside. So we have -4 times a positive 2x, and we have -4 times a -1. And then the equals 76. I'll just bring that down until I'm ready to work with it. So now to finish out distributing, I'm going to multiply each little piece. So we have -4 times 2x is -8x. -4 times -1 is a positive 4. So watch out for your signs when you're multiplying. And then equals 76. So now I have a two-step equation I have to finish out. First step, of course, is to go after your constant. So in this case, my constant is 4. So I'm going to subtract 4 because I was adding 4, trying to get that variable by itself. So those 4's go away, which is what I want. And now we just have -8x equals over here. When I subtract, I get 72. Second step is divide by that -8. If your coefficient's negative, make sure you divide by the negative. And so here my -8's divide out. I have just x equals, and 72 divided by a -8 on the other side gives me a -9. So now we just have to check our answer. So the first step is to write the word check, and then write the original equation. Now the set of parentheses needs to be there. Whatever's in your original equation, you want to include that as you're writing it down now. And so I'm going to take my answer, which was -9, I'm going to replace the only x I see with -9. Now the set of parentheses that you see there, remember those have to be carried all the way down until your last step, because you're multiplying the -4 by whatever number you get inside those parentheses at the end. But for now, I'm just going to put in my -9, so 2 times -9 minus 1 is what I want inside the parentheses instead of 2 times x minus 1. So I just replace the x with my answer, and then equals 76. So we're still going to follow PEMDAS, and we want to make sure that we get 76 on the left side of the equal sign, so we made sure we did our job correctly. So with PEMDAS, I always start in the parentheses, but because I have multiplication and subtraction, I still need to follow PEMDAS to figure out what to do first. So PEMDAS tells me to multiply before I subtract. So I'm just going to change that one little piece, and everything else I'm just going to bring it down. So -4, I still have my set of parentheses. So -9 times 2 is -18. And then -1, my other parenthesis, equals 76. Now I'm going to finish out what I have inside the parentheses, because that's what PEMDAS always tells me to do, start in the parentheses. So I have -4, open parentheses, -18 minus 1 gives me a -19. And this is important. I want to keep those parentheses because instead of -4 minus 19, which is what it would look like without the parentheses, it's actually -4 times -19. And so we do get our positive 76, and our check works out.